Just ahead of polls in Haryana, big setback for the Congress party. Congress's Kiran Chaudhary joins Bharatiya Janata Party with her daughter. Now, Kiran is the daughter of ex-Haryana CM Bansi Lal, and a heavyweight shifting to the Bharatiya Janata Party just ahead of polls marks a big setback for the Haryana Congress, which is eyeing to revive its party and lead a strong base in the state.
और दोबारा से कांग्रेस का झंडा हाथ वाला तिरंगा, वो राष्ट्रीय झंडा नहीं, हाथ वाला झंडा छोड़कर जिसके तले हमने बहुत मेहनत ईमानदारी के साथ काम करा है, आज भाजपा का झंडा जो है, वो परचम जो है भाजपा का, जो ये जो है हमारा नारंगी रंग का, इसको हम लेकर जाएंगे।
आज पार्टी में दो बहुत प्रमुख हस्तियां जो ठीक है वर्षों तक इन्होंने भले ही कांग्रेस में काम किया, लेकिन मैं तो ये मानूंगा कि शरीर कांग्रेस में रहा होगा, मन हमेशा भारतीय जनता पार्टी में रहा है।
And we have Vasudha joining us. Vasudha, this is a big setback for the Congress party as just ahead of state polls, big heavyweight Kiran with her daughter join BJP.
Well, Aditi, considering the way turncoats have performed in 2024 Lok Sabha elections, we'll have to wait on that one because we really don't know if it is that big a setback for the Congress party, because in some ways there is a sense that Congress party is also rising in the state of Karnataka. In 2019 also, the party did extremely well. In fact, the BJP had to depend on JJP and also independents for ensuring that its government is in place. So it was a tough fight in 2019. In 2024, the BJP actually faced a setback in Haryana along with Maharashtra, losing about 5 seats. This is one state that gave all 10 seats to the BJP in 2014 and 2019, which is why the BJP has been making certain course corrections. We have a new Chief Minister, Nayab Singh Saini, was appointed a few months ago, in the place of Manohar Lal. Manohar Lal is now a senior minister in the cabinet. He has power and also urban development. In fact, as in charge of BJP, Dharmendra Pradhan has also been appointed 2 days ago. And today, Kiran Chaudhary's joining is specifically important because she has political legacy on her side. She is the daughter-in-law of Bansi Lal, seen as one of the trio, Bhajan Lal, Devi Lal and Bansi Lal are seen as modern architects of modern Haryana. Bansi Lal was specifically somebody who was seen as a confidant of Indira Gandhi. He had a role to play even during emergency, and of course he has had both good things and bad things about him, but he is seen as somebody very important in the Haryana frame of things, in the Haryana frame of political development. So she has the political legacy with her. Shruti Chaudhary is her daughter and she's the working president of Haryana. Shruti was denied ticket from Bhavani Mahendragarh, the family bastion, in 2024 Lok Sabha election. And both the mother-daughter have actually blamed Bhupinder Singh Hooda and his family for this, saying that Congress is being run in Haryana like a fiefdom. So today she joined, and along with her crores of supporters, like many supporters came. In fact, there was this talk in the BJP office that villages have turned up here, cities have turned up here. There was a huge sea of people there, all supporting her. So clearly, it looks like, but we'll have to wait and watch as to how much impact she makes in ensuring that the BJP actually grows in Haryana, because farmers is an important part of it, and her family has represented farmers. It'll be interesting to see if she makes that turnaround for the BJP.
Right. We also have Gurpreet joining us. Gurpreet, Congress in Haryana made significant gains this time in 2024 polls, and they are eyeing that they will make a big setback and big dent to the BJP's vote base. But just ahead of elections, people again jumping ship from the Congress party. How does this reflect, and will this dent their chances in the coming assembly polls in Haryana?
Well, this joining of Kiran Chaudhary is a shot in the arm of the BJP at this point of time. We all know in the last month of this year, election are going to be happening in Haryana, and at this point of time, if we can see the political calculation, Kiran Chaudhary leaving Congress, it's a big jolt to the Congress. At the same time, it's the big gain for the BJP, because if we can talk about Bhiwani and Mahendragarh, that is the bastion of Chaudhary Bansi Lal. Surjewala, and now we have seen she has a strong legacy of former Chief Minister of Haryana, and she is the daughter-in-law of former Chief Minister of Haryana. So she will be able to leave a lot of impact in these belts, Mahendragarh and Bhiwani, and she has been elected as an MLA multiple times from the same state. So if we can see overall political situation as of now, it seems that
And
it's a
Gurpreet,
gain for
if
the
we can
BJP,
also talk
but we
about
have
the
to
remarks
see
that
how much
Kiran
impact
made
she is
while
going to
leaving
leave.
the Congress party. She said that she felt humiliated and suffocated while she was in Haryana Congress.
Well, that is not today she has spoken about this thing. Earlier also we have seen since Bhupinder Singh Hooda, the former Chief Minister of Haryana, he has got the full-fledged power because even the Congress president is from the same coterie of a former Chief Minister of Haryana, Bhupinder Singh Hooda, and now he's more powerful. He is going to appoint the district president. He is going to appoint everybody in Haryana state. So that is the big shock, not only to Kiran Chaudhary. We have seen even Kumari Shailja, she is raising flag so many times. Randeep Surjewala, he is also raising flag against the former Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda. But at this point of time, because specifically in Lok Sabha elections, we have seen Kiran Chaudhary was not able to get that due respect which she was expecting from Hooda family, and now even she has blamed the former Chief Minister of Haryana, Bhupinder Singh Hooda, for jumping the ship from Congress to BJP because she feels she is not going to give that type of respect which she deserves from the party high command, and that could be possible reasons she is not going to get proper recognition in the Congress party. And so many times we have seen for the last 1 year we can say that they haven't seen on the same platform Bhupinder Singh Hooda, Kiran Chaudhary, Kumari Shailja, even Randeep Surjewala. A few days back we have seen a rally was called by Kumari Shailja in Sirsa after a victory from there. In that scene also we have seen even Bhupinder Singh Hooda was missing. So let's see how much
Right.
impact she is going to leave in Haryana politics, and specifically it's a gain for BJP in the upcoming Vidhan Sabha elections or not. That will be clear once there will be election which are going to be happening in Haryana. Back to studio.